Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explain and demonstrate how to use Control GX from Just for Men. This is the shampoo that washes in easy, gentle color change over maybe a 2-week period. The reason why we're doing this video is because it's a follow-up to a video we did in 2021. You might ask, why would we do that? And the answer is because the product's changed. Control GX from Just for Men had some lawsuits around it relating to reactions that some people had. I didn't have any with it, so I was fine. I don't know anybody that had any problems with it. I found it to be a very good product. And also, apparently there was a problem with the stability of the product. So once you opened it up, if oxygen got in that bottle, the entire thing would turn to a dark color and basically be useless. So they changed the formulation for 2 reasons. But as a result of that, the new product takes longer, and there's apparently a bunch of complaints about it. Now, I actually had no intention of using this. I bought it 6 months ago, and I've been sitting on it ever since. My girlfriend at the time thought it would be kind of something to do, and it popped in my head, and I thought, there's something to do, sure, why not? This isn't getting any better. So I'm going to try it now. It's been here for all of these months, and I own it. I'm going to give it a shot again. Let's see how it works now. And if you're going to do this, the very first thing you need to do is get a haircut, which I did today. There's no point in coloring your hair that's just going to get cut off. All right, so how do you use Control GX? First thing, run the allergy test. Take the lid off, unscrew it, pull a little safety seal. Well, it looks like a safety seal, but as I mentioned before, it's really about keeping the oxygen out. Then take a small amount of the product and put it on your elbow and just let it sit for a minute. Okay, that's a little more than I need. Now, one of the things we're going to cover is that in the shower, you need to make sure that you don't get this on your fingernails, and that's because this bonds to keratin. Guess what your fingernails are made of? Keratin. You've got to use the palm method. You do not want to use the fingernail method of washing your hair. And no, you don't have to wash your hair beforehand. The Control GX shampoo is a decent enough shampoo for almost everybody. By the way, that gets to a good point. This is completely unsponsored. I'm just screwing around. So if you like the video, thumbs up would be super appreciated. Now, one of the other things I've noticed right away is that this is a milder scent than the older one. The older one was fine, but this one's even milder, which makes sense because the formulation is milder. I'll put some details up on the formulation if you actually care about that minutia. And they've added in some sexy fillers like coconut oil and biotin. Well, I haven't reacted so far, but you gotta let it sit, well, they say 2 days. I'm gonna let it sit till tomorrow morning. Let's see how it goes. Now, just so you can get a good look at this, I'm going to twist my head around so we can see the brutal silver gray hair. My girls did that. They're very bad girls. I'll hop in the shower, show you how to wash it in, and then I'll show you a time lapse. Let's see what it looks like in a couple weeks. One minute, 2 minutes. So you can wash or do whatever else you want, but then get it out. Don't let it sit in too long. And make sure the stuff stays off your fingernails as much as possible. Rinse them fast. And make sure you get any splatter off of your tub walls because while it shouldn't stain, it might. And when you're toweling off, probably best to not use a white towel because you might have missed a little bit of the dye. You'll notice I'm just patting it down because I don't want to scrub it into this towel. I like this towel. And just before we get into the time lapse showing you what's happened to my hair over the course of a couple of weeks, by the way, this is day 3. So you can see there's a little bit already, but not a whole lot. Let's explain why that is. Specifically, let's explain what the difference is between so-called men's hair dye and women's hair dye. Yes, the air quotes are there for a reason and they're kind of stupid. It's the same product. The difference is whether there's an additional product that goes with it. When I say product, I'm talking about the dye. The dye is pretty much the same. The difference is that women's hair dye has 2 stages. The first stage opens up the hair follicle so that the dye can penetrate all the way in. And that gives you that instant color change. With so-called men's hair dye, like Control GX shampoo, the dye still penetrates the hair follicle, but not nearly as deeply. So it's not on the hair, it is in the hair, but just underneath. And it takes longer to penetrate down into the hair follicle. And as a result, it has a much more gradual change. Men apparently are embarrassed about getting their hair dyed. and women aren't. Okay, let's get on to the time lapse and see how the Just for Men Control GX shampoo, in my case for lighter shades, actually works. At this point, I don't know myself. Let's find out. Well, we're at day 7, and that's 7 applications of the Just for Men Control GX, the new formulation, and you can see, seems to be working. As you use the product more and more, you'll see that when you squeeze it out, you get some of this black goo coming out first, and you think, oh, that's the dye, that's probably the better stuff, I really want that. Nope, that's actually less effective. That's dye that's already been activated. It's not garbage, but it's pretty close. It's not very useful. Just for Men Control GX is oxygen activated. And what this is telling you is that a little bit of oxygen got in the bottle. Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks, and I have my hair finished. Now I'm going into maintenance mode. I actually did get a little bit of the Control GX shampoo under one of my fingernails and had a pretty good black blotch under there for a few days that took some time to come out. So I guess they're not kidding when they say to keep it off of your nails. Now, that being said, when I was actually, washing my hair with it, I gave up on the palm thing and I just went with this normal sort of hair thing, with my fingers. And then I just rinsed them off and my fingers are fine. There's no issues there. And for God's sakes, don't use a white towel because there's going to be a drop you missed somewhere. Maybe it rolled down onto your chest. Maybe it's behind your ear. Who knows? All right, so let's get to the wrap up here. Let's review the Control GX, so the Just for Men, in this case, lighter shades. This again is the new formulation. I'll just roll my head around so you can take a look and see that it did a very, very nice job of evenly distributing the colorization. So I still look like me, but I did have 2 people ask me out of the blue in the last week or so if I had, got a tan or been going to the gym more. I do 80-kilometer bike rides quite frequently. I do go to the gym. I walk a fair amount. So I just keep myself in more or less good shape. And nothing has particularly changed other than that. So the Control GX shampoo, for, what do they call it here, gray reducing, was the thing people were referring to. And one of the nice things about this was it was subtle enough that people couldn't quite spot and figure out what had changed. And the second thing is that this is the color I remember having in my 30s. Now, in my 20s and beyond and younger, I was blonde, like really blonde. But those days went away, and now this is the color I had when I was in my 30s. So this is a natural color for me. And I could keep applying the Control GX if I wanted to get it a little darker or finish off these little sort of gray areas, but I don't want to. So I'm going to do one of 2 things. I'm either going to head into maintenance mode, which is using this maybe once a week to maintain the coloring, or I may just let it grow out. I'm not much for beautification or chemicals or whatever you call this stuff. This was, as I noted when we got it, this was sort of a goof. It just did such a good job. I'm really happy with it. So I'm really not sure what I'm going to do. This morning I got in the shower and thought, nope, I'm not going to use it. So this was not used today. I just used my regular shampoo, and I'll have to, I guess, make the decision later in the week as to what I'm doing. But in my case, I'll probably just let it grow out because the test is done and it's time to move on for me. But it did such a good job. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will use it a few more times. I mean, I've got this bottle. I suffered no ill effects. I had no problems, no burning, no discoloration, no hair loss. No problems to speak of with the product. So given the quality of the results and the price I paid for this, I think was about $10 US, that's a really good deal to end up with, hair like this. I'm pretty happy with it. And so at this point, I can fully recommend Just for Men Control GX. But remember, look, this is completely unsponsored. I bought this as a goof, just something fun to do. So if you like the video because you found it useful or interesting, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech, that's www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or comment below. And if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, yeah, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.